Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Sol trading bot in Telegram. These bots are powerful tools designed to automate your cryptocurrency trading on the Solana blockchain. They execute trades based on your specific rules, helping you capitalize on market movements. Using Telegram for interaction makes managing your bot incredibly convenient, providing instant updates and control right from your phone. First, you need to choose a reliable Sol trading bot. Do your research to find one with good reviews and features that align with your goals. Next, securely link your existing Solana wallet to the bot. This step is crucial for managing your funds. Finally, ensure your wallet is funded with enough Sol tokens to cover your initial trades and any associated transaction fees. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, why not upgrade your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners, keeping your space spotless while you focus on your trades. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, it's time to configure your trading parameters. Clearly define your strategy, deciding when you want the bot to buy and sell. Set up your automated orders, specifying the price points for both purchases and sales. Crucially, implement risk management by setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit levels to secure your gains automatically. Once your bot is running, consistent monitoring is key. Regularly check its performance and analyze the trading history to understand what's working. The crypto market is dynamic, so be prepared to adjust your bot settings and strategies as conditions evolve. Learning from each trade, whether successful or not, will help you optimize your bot for better results over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.